Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to manage watch history on TikTok. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app. Now click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. After clicking on this, click on settings and privacy. You can see here, scroll that activity center, click on activity center. Now you can see here watch history, click on watch history. All the watch history will appear here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.